So he's having the darshan of all these leelas. What darshan is it having? That Akrur, he came, Krishna, that he's seen this leela, that Akrur, and he had Balaram and Krishna in his rath, and he's left Mathura, that border, when he left, that he came to that border of Vrindavan and Mathura, he had this one thing in his mind, was that Krishna, he had a doubt, he just wanted the confirmation that is this Krishna Shak Bhagwan. Is he my Ishtadev Bhagwan? Like Krishna is the Ishtadev, but who is Krishna's Aradev? Akrur's Aradev. Akrur's Dev, Ishtadev is Lord Vishnu. So he's having this doubt in his heart that is Krishna my Ishtadev? That the Kans, when he heard the voice from the sky, they said that the 8th child of your sister Devaki will destroy you, that will kill you. So Akrur is thinking like that. Then he's thinking, is this 8th child Krishna, Lord Vishnu? So he stopped the rath there. He stopped the chariot, and he went to have a snan in river Yamuna. So when he just had a dip in it, he saw Saksad Lord Vishnu in the form of Krishna, the Krishna and Balaram. He saw Lord Vishnu, and then when he looked up, and he saw, Lord Balaram and Krishna were sitting in the rath. So then he got this confirmation. So Akrur got faith. So Krishna and Balaram they are my Ishtadev. What is the Yogmaya? When Akrur, when he entered Mathura and he left Vrindavan, at that border, like when that border, what happened? The Vrindavan Krishna disappeared. And who came in? And then Mathura Krishna and Mathura Balaram, they were there. But nobody knew that. The Mathura this Krishna and the Vrindavan this Krishna, what is the difference? Vrindavan Krishna never ever leaves Vrindavan Krishna. Krishna is saying, not even 1 foot he leaves Vrindavan. He never leaves Vrindavan. He is always in Vrindavan. So that was by the desire of Yogmaya, that Vrindavan Krishna, that he disappeared, and then disappeared, and he was living in Vrindavan as invisible. That viraha, the separation mood, that the Brajvasis, he wants to have darshan of the Brajvasis when they are in the deep separation mood.
जिस कथा प्रसंग हम लोग वर्णन कर रहे हैं,
that Vrindavan Krishna stays in Vrindavan. How he stays in Vrindavan? How? In this invisible state. Invisible. Why? Krishna wanted to see why is he invisible in Krishna? That how much prem these Brajvasis. He wants to have the darshan of these Brajvasis. How much prem they have. This milan, meeting of and separation. And our Vishwanath Chakravarti Sadhu in Sundaba is saying,
मिलन के समय हम प्रेम की स्वरूप को अनुभव नहीं कर पाते।
we will not, in when we are meeting, we don't really know the swarup of the love. At the time of meeting, the swarup of prem, we do not realize. It doesn't give that. When you separate, like a loved and a beloved are separate, when they are staying together, that they take it for granted, the prem. But when they are separated, when they are separate, then they realize that Mahatma, like they understand what real love is. What is the understand? They have that understanding of love. So when a loved and beloved meet, and this is not in material life. This pain doesn't exist. Actually, in Jal, when we separate, we can forget. Like for example, if somebody our loved leaves this body, for a little while we will cry. For some time we could cry, but then as the time passes, we forget that person. Like if your mother and father died 50 years ago, do you remember them now? No, you don't think of them so much now. But in the spiritual world, like you are tarapna, you are suffering in the separation. In the Vira in Milan, so there in separation you think more of that person. The Vira. So it's like the Vira means the separation. Like then Swadish, then if there is separation and then when there is Milan, then you make like the Milan, Utkanta, like there's more enthusiasm, there's more Utkanta, there's more eagerness, to Milan. So because of that, Milan is much more, there's more Anand in Milan when there is separation. And then after meeting and then there is separation, then there's more Anand, there's more Anand. There's so many waves of Anand. In Ujjwal Nirmalitika, this Vira, this separation, is dancing. Separation mood is dancing on the head of Milan. That's why Krishna, in his invisible form, he stayed in Vrindavan, that he wanted to see the separation mood of Brajvasis, the mood they had during the separation. That even Uddhav, when he saw this separation mood, even Uddhav was astonished when he saw this. Uddhav was also so surprised and astonished when he saw this separation mood. What did Uddhav say to Gopis? Hey Mahabhagavati, you are very Mahabhagavati, means you are very fortunate. In Dwarkapuri, Nitya Sanjoni, the Maisi, the queens Satyabhama and Rukmani, they are always with Krishna and they are always meeting them. That meeting, the sukh they have, the happiness they have, and the happiness you have, you cannot compare. Uddhav is saying, hey great gopis, that your Vira, your separation, the separation you've shown, why have you showed this to Anugrah, that you, for my mercy, that the Anand you have in this Viraha separation, I have got that darshan. For me to realize this,
आप लोग के हृदय
That's
में
why you have got,
ये समस्त विरोध उत्पन्न होता है।
that's why you got this separation mood in your heart.
ये समस्त दिखाई देता है। तो यहाँ पर भी उद्धव के मुख से कैसे निकल गया?
What Uddhav said,
महिषा
Mahisha is gopis.
उस समय तो कृष्ण
That time Krishna was,
को ब्रज में भेजा
when he sent
तब
Uddhav,
कृष्ण मथुरा में थे।
Krishna was in Mathura at that
महिषा
time.
का
Krishna was in
और
Mathura
मथुरा में जब
when,
कृष्ण राधे कृष्ण के विवाह
when
में,
Krishna sent Uddhav to
कृष्ण के विवाह कहाँ पर हुई?
Dwarka.
द्वारका में हुई।
At that time, when Krishna was in Mathura,
किसी
he was
महान
not
प्राणी
married.
में दिखा गया
He got married
कि
in
किसी
Dwarka.
कल्प में कृष्ण
And then in some kalpas,
रुक्मिणी
Brahma
के साथ
says
मथुरा में
that
विवाह
Krishna is,
विवाह
in some
में
kalp
दिखा।
is saying that
लेकिन सब कल्पों में नहीं है।
Rukmani and Krishna
तो यहाँ पर
married
जो
in
टीकाकार
Mathura, but
कहते
that's
हैं,
not true.
उद्धव कैसे कहा
Our
गया?
Tika said, then why did Uddhav say that?
महिषियों के जो
Why did he
सुभाष
mention the
आप
queens?
सुभाष को-
Because at that time Krishna was not married.
महिषियों के नाम कैसे उद्धव ने लिया?
So why did Uddhav
रुक्मिणी
mention the
सत्यभामा
queen's
के
name?
विवाह में नहीं।
They
ना उनके
didn't get
साथ
married.
कुछ संपर्क
So
हुआ।
why did he mention
कृष्ण के बाद
Rukmani and
वृंदावन छोड़ करके मथुरा आए और मथुरा से फिर सांदीपनि मुनि के पास चले गए।
Mathura? When
जो
Krishna left, Krishna went into Muni, and he learned all the arts of Kshatriyas, fighting, arts of fighting, and sorry,
ये अधिक समय नहीं हुआ।
so much.
तो इस समय तो कृष्ण के विवाह नहीं हुए।
That time Krishna was not married. In Mathura, when Krishna was in Maroda, he wasn't married.
उद्धव को भेजा।
And that time, that's when he sent Uddhav to Vrindavan.
He
said, Krishna sent Uddhav to Vrindavan. Hey, Uddhav, Vrindavan, go to Vrindavan, go and pacify my mother and father, and then message, and then give my message to my beloved of gopis.
तो यहाँ पर प्रसंग कर्म क्रम से आ रहे हो इस तरह चक्रवर्ती पाद गा
The
रहे हैं।
Vishwanath
उद्धव कैसे
Chakravarti
कहा
Thakur
दिया?
saying, how did he?
ये महिषियों के ऐसे स्वभाव को करते नहीं। तो इसी
That
संदर्भ में
means
हमारे आचार्य जो बात कहते हैं, कृष्ण
our acharya
ब्रह्मांड
is that
और किसी न किसी ब्रह्मांड में
in some Brahman, this Leela is
इस
happening. Like
मानव कृष्ण की कुछ लीला हो रही है।
in this place, some Leelas are happening, and then in other Brahmans, another Leela is happening.
अथवा स्वयं योग माया
This is Yoga Maya,
भावी लीला को जैसे
the Bhami Leela, Bhavi Leela.
उद्धव के यहाँ पर अपने आप को
So, yes, so Uddhav manifested these words by the arrangement of Yoga Maya. Uddhav could speak that.
प्रकटित होकर के
So
मनुष्यों के साथ
so
रानियों के साथ कृष्ण के जो प्रेम दिया
the prem that Krishna has with the queens in Dwarka, that he like he manifested that Leela on Uddhav's tongue, so he could speak that.
उनके जिहा में
Like whoever is a Mahabhagavat, the Yoga Maya Sat manifests this Leela on the tongue, so that can speak about Leela.
क्योंकि हम यहाँ पर जो कार्य हैं
Here we are saying
ये अक्रूर
this Akrur,
ब्रह्म काल में
in Brahma,
जब स्नान किया
like when he had
और स्नान करके देखा
Snan in Yamuna, he had, what did he see? That he saw his Istadev,
विष्णु को देखा
and he saw his Lord Vishnu, he saw his darshan of his Lord Vishnu, Istadev, and then when he came out of the water, he saw Krishna and Balaram were sitting there, and at the same time, he had darshan when he went in the river. So then he got confirmed that my Istadev is Krishna and Balaram. Then when Akrur passed the border and went into Mathura, and at the same time the Mathura dish and that the Vrindavan Krishna lived in Vrindavan as invisible. So why did he say is invisible? To relish this Madhurya Bhav of separation mood that the Brajvasis were going to go through. Also in Ras Leela is coming. At Ras Leela he disappeared. So in the Gopis was then Gopis went to search for Krishna, and then the Gopis sang. So the Gopis sang. That was Gopi Git also was there. So in Gopi Git, Krishna gopis are saying to Krishna, if you love somebody and you have sneha, you should not give a suffering to that person. Then Krishna said, Krishna is saying, what do you mean that I give you suffering? It's like you saying, so he's telling gopis are saying, so Krishna, gopis are saying to Krishna that you left the rastas and you put so much suffering to us that we say, I didn't get, I was there with you in Ras Leela. So the gopis are saying, how can that be possible? So Krishna says, you say this is Krishna's charan chinna. At that time, I was actually there. I was standing there. If you look at my charan charip, you say, see, I am there. Your tarafta, you are so much in suffering in this separation. The gopis. Okay, charan chinna. The charan chinna, when the gopis, when Krishna left the gopi gate, the Ras Leela, and then when they were residing in the gopi gate, so he said Krishna's footprints are there. He said, Krishna is telling the gopis, I am in the mirror, the fire of separation that Utkanta, I wanted to see you. I would see him. Because during the Milan, you cannot see this real Krishna Prem and Utkanta. So, the one gopi is telling, so he's saying, so Krishna is saying, I was behind the tree. I was behind the tree and I was watching you all the time. So then I saw all this utkanta, so much eagerness you had. And then what? So Gopi is saying, so what you were watching one Krishna, one Gopi suffering, like a hunter, he puts a. And how you are thinking of us? That we were suffering in the mood of separation. And then you are saying, hey Gopis, I was behind the tree and I was watching you, how you were suffering in the separation. Then Krishna said at that time, look, I say one thing. Beloved and loved, they don't see they don't see faults in each other. So Krishna is saying, Priyajan, dekhte, right? So the gopis, if you have the love, your love doesn't see fault in you, and the lover doesn't see fault, doesn't find fault in you. So like if your son is blind, if he is blind, so if your son is blind, then what you will call them? They don't want to call their son blind because you have sneha. They don't see the dose. You have so much sneha, but they don't see the dose. They don't see the fault. Krishna said to gopis, that when I have darshan of your Madhurya Prem, that I was having darshan of your prem behind the tree. I was hiding behind the tree. Krishna spoke one story. There's one person found this very beautiful sweet mango, and then he had this mango. Then he thought, oh, this mango is very sweet, and then the seed of the mango, if I put the seed in the ground, then the tree will grow. So what did this person do? He put this seed of mango and put it under the ground, and then he put fertilizer over it, and then watered the plant, and then slowly this plant started to grow. And so Gopi says, and then afterward, so Krishna is saying, that this tree started to grow. And what does the gardener do? Gardener puts a fence around that tree so that no other animals can come and eat that plant. So slowly, this plant started to grow and grow a lot. And that person who put the seed, then he's so happy to see that the seed he planted now is grown into a big tree. Like tree, then first the birds. So like when the tree started to grow, that when he looks at the birds in the tree, sometimes you plant, and sometimes in some trees don't give flowers, but so when this tree started to have some spuds and some flowers, so this person who planted this tree, he was so happy. He could see that now, oh wow, this tree, the Malik, the owner of the tree. So owner had so much patience. The next year they thought next year the tree will produce fruit. So then again the flowers appeared, and then he saw there were 8 or 9 mangoes. So there was many mangoes, but 8 or 9 mangoes were good. They were good. So after some time, so these mangoes became ripe, and now they were not. They were like a reddish color. So the owner, what did he say? One day he saw a shuk pakti bite on it, the mango, and that ripe mango fell down on the ground. And the Mali, and he picked up that mango and he offered it to Thakur, and he offered it to his family. And this mango, so he started to think that so what he did, so that nobody can come and steal all the mangoes from the tree. So what he did, he picked up all the mangoes that were there on the tree and offered it to Thakurji. What the purport in this is that Gopis is saying, that Krishna is saying, the Gopis, the prem that you have in this viraha separation mood, because without the separation, then that milan is not, that the beauty of the milan is not there. So that's why. Hare Krishna, Hare